This is Labor Saving Devices, GRI. We're a manufacturer of door and window sensors for security systems. Also, we provide products for labor to install products like reed switches, wires, speakers, and things like that. We have multiple different products. We have a hole saw. We have a slingset. We have a thing to drill into floorboards, up into interior walls. We have little tools for grabbing wire. We have wire strippers. We have nice little bags so that you can put your bolts and nuts into. We have things to tighten up your camera connections in the back of the cameras. We have what is called a walleye, so you can look into the interiors of a wall. We have a level so that you can do a single gang plate or a double gang plate with a level. We have all kinds of different little kits with the different controls on it. We have wire pull kits. We have lights to illuminate into interior walls. We have rebores it if you like to rebores, or if you have drilled a hole and you need to rebore it and keep the wires to it. We have all kinds of tools to adjust to different applications. You can make them longer or shorter. We also offer a complete line of security products, basically reed switches for both industrial and residential applications. We also manufacture water sensors for different applications of water sensors. We make thermostats. Basically, we can monitor the temperatures of different rooms and stuff like that. We also make roll rods and lights to make installations into attics a lot faster and better. We make pole socks. These pole socks are designed so that you can pull wires so you make your installations quicker and faster. We make a myriad of different products for running cable. You can see that. Basically, we have all kinds. We can build in-the-line resistors into switches. We also build resistors for different applications. After that, it's about the complete product. You can go to our website, www.grisk, and log on, and it will give you videos of how to use apply our products. Also, if you want to call us and have a question or would like to look at a free sample, we do offer that also.